Ever wondered how a computer could read a handwritten musical score or turn a photo of sheet music into a playable digital file? It's like magic, but it's actually cutting-edge AI research. Let's break down how scientists are teaching machines to understand music, literally. Traditional methods of optical music recognition, OMR, struggled with complex elements like handwritten notes, overlapping staff lines, or intricate polyphonic compositions. But recent advances in AI are changing everything. Researchers are now using transformer models, like the ones behind chatbots, to analyze musical notation with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine a system that can not only detect individual notes, but also understand how they fit into a larger harmonic structure. Take sheet music transformer, for example. This model goes beyond simple note detection. It processes entire pages of music, recognizing everything from clefs and time signatures to subtle dynamics like forte or piano. And it's not just about accuracy. These systems are getting better at handling real-world challenges, like smudged ink or faded manuscripts. But here's the really cool part. These tools aren't just for scholars. They're empowering musicians to digitize rare scores, helping composers experiment with AI-generated melodies, and even preserving endangered musical traditions. One project, Doremi, is creating a universal dataset to train these models, while others like Tromr focus on polyphonic music. Think of a piano piece with multiple voices playing at once. And it's not just about recognizing notes. Researchers are developing AI agents that can understand music. Think of MusiXagent or Chat Musician, systems that don't just transcribe music but can analyze its structure, generate new compositions, or even collaborate with human musicians. It's like giving machines a musical brain. So next time you see a photo of sheet music, remember, behind the scenes, AI is working hard to decode its secrets. These innovations aren't just about technology, they're about bridging the past and future of music. Who knows? Maybe your favorite song will one day be born from a machine's creative spark. Ever tried reading a music sheet? It's like decoding a secret language, dots, lines, and symbols that hold the blueprint of a melody. But here's the twist. Even humans need years of training to master it. Now imagine asking an AI to do the same. Surprisingly, most AI models struggle. Why? Because music sheets aren't just images. They're complex visual puzzles that mix symbols, text, and structure in ways traditional AI hasn't been trained to handle. This is where MusiXQA steps in. Think of it as the first big step toward teaching AI to read music like a human. Developed by researchers, this dataset is a treasure trove of synthetic music sheets, generated with precision using a tool called MusiXT EX. Each sheet isn't just a pretty picture, it's packed with structured details. Note pitches, rhythms, chords, clefs, and even text annotations. This makes it perfect for training AI to answer questions like, what key is this in? Or, how many beats are in this measure? But here's the kicker. When the researchers tested the best AI models available, they found major gaps. Current systems, including those based on GPT, couldn't crack the code. So the team built their own model, Phi-3 MusiX, fine-tuned specifically on this dataset. The result? A huge leap in performance, proving that AI can finally start to understand music's visual language. Why does this matter? Music sheets are the bridge between sound, visuals, and text. If AI can read them, it could revolutionize how we teach music, analyze compositions, or even create new melodies. This isn't just about machines learning to see. It's about expanding what AI can understand in the world of art and creativity. So next time you spot a music sheet, remember, it's not just notes on a page. It's a challenge, and now, a chance for AI to rise to the beat. Stay curious, and let's keep exploring the intersection of art and technology together.